Hey guys, so I bought this little selfie stick tripod off of Amazon. I bought it for my wife. I bought one for myself, a different brand. She really liked it, but she wanted something a little different than what I had. I saw this one, it was highly rated, so I bought it. And let me go ahead and just get out of the box and see what show you what it looks like. Alright, so here's our little device here. We have a little hand remote that clips right into the base here. Okay, right there. It's got a pivot ball head. I like this. Mine doesn't have the pivot ball head like that, so this is highly adjustable for how you want it. Let's see here. It just extends out like that, and that is a really long extension. Okay, gives you a good reach out there. It actually feels more solid than mine. Mine is a little more flexible. The tripod part of it here, let me pull these legs, they kind of clip together here, and that's pretty much the same as mine. Lock that down, gives you a good solid, and so about 12 inches tall, maybe 13 inches. So down short, and then you can just extend that thing up however high you need it. Okay, that's good. Has a couple other things in the box here. We have a GoPro attachment, so if you have a GoPro or a action camera, you can put that on there. And it has this little smartphone clip that it's actually a screw. I like this. I don't like the spring kind because your phone can actually fall out of it, but it gets pretty big, guys. I mean, I'm not sure. That's pretty big. Here's my phone. I'm using it to remote control the camera right now. This is a Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with a big case on it. And you can actually see me there on camera as I'm recording myself, because this is actually my remote control for my camera. But it's got another, I would say, 3/8 of an inch on top of this. This is a really big smartphone, probably one of the biggest you can get. And even with this heavy-duty ruggedized case on here, it has about another 3/8 of an inch of space, so it could handle probably like a tablet phone pretty good. So that's pretty nice there. It's got, you can twist it around. You're going to unlock it here and twist it around 360 degrees. Turn it upside down and run it there, and then it has a cold shoe for, say, an external flash or light or microphone. So that's really cool, and it doesn't just swivel. It has locks like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm really liking this device here. The one that I bought is a different brand and a little bit different. It doesn't have this little pivot ball head. The bottom is basically the same, and the control. But one thing that I really liked about this is this right here, which really allows you to quickly move the camera and put it in the positions you want. Say if you're on a hill, the one that I have, it just has a two-way. You can loosen and pivot this way or that way. But sometimes you're not exactly level, and I can't get it just perfectly level all the time. So this one with the swivel ball is a lot better design. And I do like this design right here where you can crank that down. It's not spring loaded. That way, if you can put that over a ledge of the Grand Canyon, you're sure your phone's not going to fall out. Okay, so I like that. It's pretty good. Let me go ahead and get my phone in it, and we'll go out and do some video. Alright guys, so I have my phone in here, and pressing the button turns my phone on, and now you can see me here. So, I'm just showing you the little corner here. So that's really good. It's real stable. I mean, this is a little big down here. If you got a small hand, it might be a little bit difficult for you to grasp, but it provides a good handle to hold on to. Keep it steady. Let's go ahead and extend it all the way out here. And man, that is really a long ways out there. You can get that over the top shot, you know, almost like a drone. Let me get back here, way back there. All right, see if you can see that thing way up there. All right, so if you want to get that down low shot while you're walking, you can get that. Get that foot shot. And of course, as always, and of course, if you need to let the phone down, you can just put the tripod down here, set it on the ground, and adjust this for level, and we're doing good. Look at that, man. So very versatile, very compact. Has a lot of functions on it, so I think my wife's going to enjoy it. And she has the same exact phone as me, because she does a lot of filming with her phone. I'm always having to empty her memory out. She fills up that 128 gigs, no problem, filming the grandkids. So this is going to be a great gift for her, and I think she's going to really enjoy it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have, please hit that thumbs up under the video to let me know this video helped you out.